Hello everybody, this is Daniel here with Screenly. Today we're going to go over how you can share ReportGarden dashboards on your digital signs with Screenly. The first step is within your Screenly account. You can get started with a no credit card required free trial. Within your Screenly account, you click on the screens icon on the left hand side and then click the add screen button. There's two ways to start a screen. One, you can do it with a physical device, a digital signage player called a Screenly Player or Screenly Player Max. You can purchase those on the Screenly website. Or you can start a screen with our Screenly Anywhere feature, which allows you to use your existing hardware or no hardware at all. You can actually launch a screen using a web browser. And that's what we'll do here today. So in order to do that, go to anywhere.screenly.io or click the link here in our interface. And here, what you're doing is you're pairing the screen to your interface so we know where to send the content. So we're going to put in the pairing code 7DFD, and the second part here is QEPG. Okay, QEPG. Okay, and we're going to do test screen. Okay, we're going to click add and perfect. Okay, test screen. So now we have this screen in our account. Now the next step is we want to get the content from our ReportGarden account, and that content will then send to a playlist and we'll assign our screen to the playlist, and that's how we'll get content. The next step then is to go within your ReportGarden account, and you'll see here, if you don't have a dashboard already, they have a ton of ready-to-go dashboards. All you have to do is just connect your ad tool or analytics tool or marketing data tool. Once you do that and you're all set up, you can then get the share link, and we'll do that here. So this is a report that we set up within our account, and we're just navigating here. Okay. And on the top right, you see the share link. You'll click share, and you click continue with watermark. You can buy a plan to remove it if you want, and then click share. Okay, there's sometimes a few steps where you have to arrange the portal here, which is just ask for some branding and logo information. So if you're not getting the share link and it says error with the portal, just go here and then you can add your name and your company logo and all that. So okay, so back to reports. Navigating here. Okay, reports, Screenly monthly report, and we're going to the share link here. So continue with the watermark. We're going to get the share link now. If you copy this, it's not actually published yet, so you have to save it. So we're going to copy this link and we're going to save it. Okay. And you can make sure that it's working by just adding it to your web browser here. And perfect. Okay. So we see that's working here. And the next step then is to go to your Screenly account, and we're going to add the content as a URL. So we're going to paste it here. We're going to click finish. And here it's adding the content right now. Just takes a second here. We'll have it load. Perfect. Okay, so we see the dashboard added, and we're going to give it a title. We're going to call it Report Garden Data, and we're going to save it. Perfect. Okay, the next step is we need to set up a playlist. The playlist is where we hold and schedule the content, so we're going to call it Marketing Data. And then we can add the screen that we made. Now, you can have the same content play on multiple screens, and this is where the selection mode is important. But right now, we just have one screen. So now we're going to add the content here, ReportGarden Data. Perfect. Okay. And be sure to click Save. So now we have on our test screen, you can see that the ReportGarden Data here is in queue. And you can actually see a preview of the content on the screen here in the playlist. And you can see that it is here loaded and ready to go. That's it. That's how you add a ReportGarden report to your Screenly interface, assign it to a playlist, and then assign a screen to that playlist and get your metrics displayed on a digital sign. So thanks for joining us. We'll come to you with more of these tutorial videos, and we look forward to sharing more. Thank you.